Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send a text message using RingCentral's platform. It's very simple to do. There's two ways to do this. So first, what we're going to do is log into our RingCentral account. This is our desktop app. And on the top right-hand corner, under the plus button that says New Action, you're going to click on that, and then you're going to choose Send New Text. Once that's been chosen, then you can enter the telephone number you wish to send the text message to. So we've got that entered here. And then now the platform comes on sending out the text message. And there's a couple features you could use RingCentral, new features for 2025. So here's where you would type in the text message, whatever you would like to send out. But some of the new features that RingCentral has a AI writing tool. And once you click on the AI writing tool, bottom left-hand side, you're going to click Draft for Me. And then you want to just tell the AI what type of message you're trying to do. So I'm going to pretty simple just say, create a text message to my team, I'm out of the office, and add emojis. Pretty simple. Once we click draft, the RingCentral AI will generate this text message for you. Looks really good. So right here, I can click on copy, or let's just say I'm sending this to my manager or my boss. I can change the tone to go more of a professional, and then that will change the tone of the text message. And if I like this tone better, I can just hit accept. And then this will now be pre-populated into my text message. The second tool that RingCentral just came out with is a template tool. So in this scenario, you can actually go company. So you can choose a personal or a company. So I'm going to go company. I'm going to hit here on the top right-hand side, it says new template. And I'm going to add a new company template. And then once I do that, I'm just going to name it out of office. And then I'm just going to copy that template I created. So I hit save. And now instead of re-entering the same information multiple times, I have a template. I could just click on here and hit apply to my text message. And then I can hit send. And right here on the bottom right-hand side where it says send, enter key. And that text message has been sent. So two new features that have come out with RingCentral's text messaging platform. There's also a way here that you can go to hit edit. Actually, I apologize. Right here, you can actually send a text message, same exact process. So great new tool from RingCentral, very happy that they've created that. Now, if you need definitely help in automating your text messages or pre-scheduling your text messages, please check out my information in the description or some of our other YouTube videos that discuss our software called SendIt. Thank you so much. Have a great day.